Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by creating a safe snapshot so you can restore later. Make sure VSCode is fully closed and settings sync is signed out. Open the command palette with Ctrl+Shift+P, choose Preferences, Open Settings, JSON, and Copy Settings. JSON to a known folder. Export extensions using Code List Extensions ext. TXT so you have a list. This preserves your work and explains why. A factory reset removes configs and extensions, so backups let you undo selectively. Once done with backups, close VSCode and delete the configuration folders to wipe customizations. On Windows, remove %appdata %code and %userprofile %. VSCode. On Mac OS, delete ~library /application support /code and ~. VSCode. On Linux, remove ~. Config /code and ~. VSCode. Also clear the cached workspace storage and extensions folders inside those. After you remove all configuration data, reinstall or simply launch VSCode to recreate default configs. Start without signing in or enabling sync so you can verify the clean state. To restore only what you want, install extensions from your saved list using the command line method and copy back the specific settings. JSON entries you need. If something goes wrong, like settings reappearing, check that no cloud sync is re-enabled and verify file system permissions on the config folders so VSCode can write fresh files.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.